Hello guys, today Dubstechnology Present. Please like and subscribe to my channel. I need your support to grow up this channel. Back to the topic. So, if you're an HTC fan, good news. HTC has brought you a phone that, in many ways, is as good as you could hope for. It's got a hugely impressive spec list, unique design, innovation in the form of squeezable sides and a great camera, and since launch it's got that little bit better, thanks to the addition of Amazon Alexa. The latest processor buzzes along rapidly inside a phone that's neither too big nor overly compact, and the interface is as slick as anything HTC has ever made. In fact, if you're a fan of HTC above all other phone manufacturers, you can probably skip this whole review and just buy the thing, although we suggest you read the bit about the squeezable edge sense element, as that takes a bit of getting used to, and just wait feverishly at the front door, waiting for your HTC U11 to arrive. HTC U11 price in the UK. The HTC U11 is coming for a cost of £649 SIM free, which is among the higher prices on the market. It's a bit cheaper on contract, under £30 a month with some decent upfront payments, but that still makes it more expensive than the Samsung Galaxy S8. In the US, it's $649 unlocked from HTC, or it's a Sprint exclusive for $29 per month, with no upfront payment. In Australia, it's $999 for the unlocked phone, and from around $59 per month, if you want it on contract. That's pretty expensive, even though it offers some of the top spec around. So you'll need to be sure you're into what HTC is offering before you pay those higher prices. The design of the HTC U11 is something that takes a little getting used to, but it's worth taking the time to do so. Holding it in the hand for the first time is a little underwhelming, as the polished Gorilla Glass is so light that it feels a little plasticky in the hand. The bulbous nature isn't as exciting or feel as premium as the metal build on last year's HTC 10, but don't let that bother you. After a few days you'll get used to the way it feels, and the HTC U11's chassis is well built and solid. Aesthetically, the U11 appeals in a way we've not seen with many phones. The liquid surface design manages to offer two colors at once, with the amazing silver and brilliant black models we tested looking more blue/purple and black/green respectively, depending on the way you hold them. Thanks for watching. So always stay tuned with new videos from my channel. Let's subscribe and share, my friends. Cause you all the best.